Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add Roblox to Discord status. So first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox and then you need to open Discord. Open Roblox and open Discord as well. And you need to log in into your account on Roblox and on Discord. And once you are in Roblox, you simply need to open and start playing a game. So once you done that, you simply need to come back on Roblox. You can see Roblox status here, but let's suppose if you are unable to see, you simply need to click on user settings, scroll down and click on activity privacy, and from here you simply need to turn on this feature. So this is the process how you can add Roblox to Discord status. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.